In this video we are checking what is depth of field. Okay, depth of field in a sense like whenever you are working on any of the project, you might get some requirement like you have to focus on one particular object so that the background of that object, it will be kind of blur. Okay, so how we can achieve such output and all? For that we have something called as depth of field. Okay, so in order to do that, what we have to do, we have to work on our camera. Okay, I have this camera and I will hit 0. Right now you can see this is what we are seeing. Okay, now what I will do, on the render setting you can see I'm on EV, and what I will do, sampling I will keep 16 for now. You can keep 120 and all. At that time the resolution it will be more. Okay, and what I will do, I will come to camera data property, and here we have something called as depth of field. Okay, I will just check this one. So that time you cannot see any difference, but we have few options here. You can see there is some star is appeared here. Okay, so that we can tweak it. So right now you can see the star is here. Okay, see there is something called as viewport display. So basically the handle, this particular handle, you can control it using this one. So you can control the size of this from viewport display. And what I will do, I will hit 0, and I will try to bring this particular handle closer like this. Okay, now you can see this is almost near to our object, and I will keep it at the inside object. Okay, and I have aperture, so by decreasing the f-stop I will get more blurry. Okay, so the background is get blurred, and you can see the light and all, it is blurred more. And there is one more thing called as blades. So whenever if you have any glowing or lights on your background, you can add the blades. At that time you can see it will get some edges. Okay, so 3 edges it got, and if I'm increasing, it is having 4. So like that you can give the edges, more and more edges you can give. Okay, also you can rotate the rotate those things. So you can clearly see here I'm just rotating so that it will rotate. So it is kind of bokeh. Okay, bokeh effect that you can control, and even you can give the ratio for that one so that it will give the effect like this. Okay, so these are the main thing, and obviously like if you are unable to do this one on manually, like if you want to focus any particular object very quickly, at that time you can use focus on object, this particular option, and I will click this and I will check this sphere. At that time you can see this particular object got the effect, and if I want, I will select this cube. Okay, at that time cube is focused and other things are unfocused. Okay, so this is called as depth of field.